What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold this weekend. We did about $400. There's a few things I'm not going to show because there was a guy that ordered, I think, 3 items, and I messaged him. I said, hey, did you mean to order these 3 of the same items? And he's like, no, I meant to order 2. So I told him to cancel the one he didn't want. He hasn't canceled yet, so I'll probably show that on the next video. Anyway, I said we did about $400. And my name is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller on eBay since 1997. And what we do is we show you exactly what we sell. Then that way, if you're out at the thrift store, the pawn shop, the video store, wherever you're at, and you see something that I sold for okay money, you might want to buy it. That way there's no question if it's selling or not, because anybody can say they sell something. Until you see it sold, it's not sold. But anyway, let's see what we sold. Sold a DVD called Thunderbolt and Lightfoot. I believe that was a Clint Eastwood movie. What's it called? Thunder. Hopes if I look in the right place. Well, if we pull out every single one of these drawers, we might find it. We just might. Where the heck? I don't see it. Like I said, stuff has been so hard to find in here since I added all these movies. I know we did sell this last Train to Busan. We've sold, what, 10 of these in the past 2 weeks? We sold this one for $14.99. We bought it at Big Lots for $3. I think I found my problem. Yep. I'm an idiot. I didn't write down if it was a DVD or Blu-ray. It was a Blu-ray. This is a Twilight Time. These Twilight Time ones usually do really well. I think they were limited edition or something, or they're out of print. Because we bought this for $2 and we sold it for $29.99. Now here's another one that's going to be possibly hard to find. I hate doing these 4-packs. Don't think I put it in here. Let me check. I may have put it into Hell and Back. I knew this one was going to be a pain. Couldn't be that easy, could it? That's for sports related. I know we sold one of these. Incident in a Ghostland. We bought this for $1 at the Dollar Tree, and we sold it for $9.99. All right, that thing was sitting right here in the C's under Classic. Cannot stand looking for these 4 things because sometimes I put them under like that name there, Classic War Movies. Sometimes I'll put them under the first movie that's there. It's just a cluster. Sometimes they'll be like all Clint Eastwood movies and they'll be under his name or something. Anyway, we bought this for $1 at the pawn shop. We sold it for $9.49. We sold Christmas. Something about Christmas April string. Here we go. The Christmas apron. It was new. We bought it for the pawn shop for $1, and we sold it for $12. We sold an Emerson, Lake and Palmer CD. Of the Kingsman, that's not it. I have a feeling we're getting close. Maybe not. I hate doing these Sunday nights. I'm so tired. I've been working all weekend. We went right past it. And remember what I told you guys about these Target CDs. Find those Target CDs. They're worth money. Without this being a Target CD, it would be worth about $4.99. Since it's a Target CD, we sold this for $16.99. We paid 50 cents for it at the flea market. All right, we sold a Bengals shirt. Let's hope it's easy to find. Hey, there it is. It was I think a garment or something. It's probably from the 70s or 80s. And we picked it up for $1.99 and we sold it for $33.33. So be on the lookout for those vintage single stitch made in USA shirts. It's big money. This is a bin I do not get in very often. It is where I keep my shoes. I haven't touched this bin for months. I haven't listed any of these shoes for months. I used to do really well with these S.A.S shoes, and then they just quit selling. They just dropped off the face of the earth. But the funny thing is, today we sold 2 pairs. And I'm not finding the pair I need. Pretty sure this is the only place that I keep these shoes. Tonight is not my night. I'm about ready to quit shooting this video tonight and try tomorrow. And none of these shoes are the right shoes. I'm pretty sure this is the only place I have any of my shoes. Well, I think I found one of the pair of shoes. I can't find the other pair, so it's not my night. We bought these for $5. We sold them for $25 with shipping. So we didn't make a whole lot, and it was a pain in the butt. So I'm really thinking about just stop selling shoes. They're just a pain. Can't find the other one. Other were kind of like these, but they were different. Cannot find them anywhere. But her soda skull shirt. It was a Viking on a ship type thing. It was a 2X. We bought it. It was new without tags. Bought it for $2. Sold it for $24.99. Sold some Julie Dawn Cole. She was Veruca. Sold this one. She's with Wonka. Then we sold this Albert Wilkinson. I guess he was one of the Oompa Loompa guys. Sold both of those for $18.88 a piece. We paid $5 a piece for them. No, we paid $5 for the Albert, and we paid $6.99 for the Veruca. Hope we can find this. Hey, we found something. I think we paid 50 cents for this at a thrift store. We got $10 out of it. Sold some more of those Brian Christopher autographs. We sold 2 silver. There's one. And there's 2. We had him for a signing a few months before he passed. So we got 2 silver and 1 green. We sold those for $19.99 a piece. So we got about $60 for those 3. We had about $5 a piece in them, so we did pretty good on those. Evil Slade Roy, there we go. We bought that at the pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $7.99. Not a great sale. A DVD called Red Planet. There it is. We bought it for $1 at a pawn shop. And let's see what we sold it for. Sold it for $9.99, so it wasn't great money, but hey, it's money. Alright guys, hopefully you had a better day than me. I couldn't find anything today. Still didn't find no shoes, so I'm going to have to cancel the order. Getting sick and tired of that stuff. But like I said, it's been a long weekend. Hopefully you guys had fun. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that fuss. Hit all to see all my videos. Peace. Alright, here we are at our second family video location. And we just got done buying some more. Got this bag. It was supposed to be 1,000 pieces. Got that bag, and got that bag, and we got that bag, and that bag, and that bag, and then there's another bag. So it should be 1,000 pieces. It's about 250 bucks. So maybe I'll get some out and we'll see what they are after a while when I get home.